In today's video, we are going to explore UXPin. UXPin is a design tool that lets you build UI using real code backend components. With UXPin, you can design and prototype using the same components that developers use in production. You can assemble fully interactive prototypes and export production-ready React code directly from your design. It also supports advanced interactions, reusable components, and built-in React libraries like MUI and Tailwind UI. So instead of designing first and coding later, everything happens in a one place. So let's see how it works. So first you need to create your account. You can enter your work email and select a few basic options, or you can simply click on the Google button and choose your Google account. I already have an account, so I will just click on the login, and now I will just select my email. From here I will hide some details here for privacy reasons. Once you log in, your account is created. You will see interface like this. Here you can choose how you want to start your first design. You can build using AI, pick a ready-made template, or you can start from a blank canvas. You just need to click any of these options to get started. In this video, I'm going to create a design using the AI tab, so I will click the AI builder. Here you will also find a prompt library. You can test it by selecting any prompt. For example, I will choose this one to create a hero section. As you can see, it automatically writes a prompt for that section. You can attach an image if you want, and you can also choose the AI model. Now I will click on the create component, and that's it. It's that simple. It usually takes around few seconds to generate using generate your first prototype. You will also notice a media library, which I will show you later in this video. After a short wait, your AI generated hero section will be ready. From here you can start customizing it, edit the layout, add more features, or even reprompt it. So we will wait for it to AI to complete, then we will show. So as you can see here that our first AI design is now live. This is the hero section that UXPin created for us. You can see the headline here, build your first tree product faster than ever. And along with all the elements of a typically like a hero section, now let me open the project. I accidentally exited it. So now I will just click on the edit design button, and as you can see we are back in our project. Here you can see we have all the tab and pages on the left side, and you can even further customize the design from here. You also have access to media library. You can add text, buttons, icon, change color, update themes, pretty much everything you want. For example, if you want to change the color theme, you can select from here. If you want to see how everything works, you can click the preview button and you can see the design live. You can also share this preview with your team. On the right side, you will find all the customization options. Things like height, width, spacing, button size, and layout adjustments. You can fine tune every component directly from here. You will also get access to the AI component creator, where you can generate another component like a new hero section or any other UI block, and then share it with your team for the feedback or further edits. You can even scan the QR code, preview the design on mobile. Now, if you want to get code, just click on the get code button. From here, you can open the code, download it, or simply copy it to your own clipboard. If you want to download, you will get a complete zip file, then you can open and customize later in the VS Code, or you will make all the changes first here, then download the final production ready code. As you can see, this is generated code. I will just click on the copy, and now the code is copied and ready to use. So that's pretty much how you can use the AI creator in UXPin. Since my channel is more focused towards AI, that's why I mainly showed you the AI builder in this video. But just keep in mind, AI is only the one part of the platform. You can also start with a blank canvas and design everything using your own skill, or you can simply choose from a ready-made template. For example, if I go to this template section, here I can see we have a different templates from different categories like marketing, apps, landing page, and more. Let's say I select the marketing template. From here you can start customizing everything, change layout, update contents, and use your own creativity and build something even more better. You will also get basic and advanced customizations option here, and honestly I know you probably already know this because that's the kind of the video. It's not like a complete step-by-step tutorial covering every single feature. This video is just about introduction to the platform and show you how and what UXPin does and how you can use it in a different ways. I know you can create even more better design and idea using this tool, so feel free to share that in your comment section. I mean our comment section or our in community. I would love to check them as well and give you feedback. I already shown you how to build components using AI, and I also showed you how you can template based approach. Now it's your turn to explore, create what you want, and experiment with the platform. That's pretty much in this video. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.